Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ikta Indians. Today I am going to share with you very popular, extremely delicious, mouth-watering, spicy prawn curry recipe. This recipe is very easy and simple, but taste is just awesome. It is very helpful for beginners also. Without delay, let's start the recipe. Today I take 500 grams medium size prawns, that is Bagda chingri. At first I shell the prawns and devein and clean them properly. Then I marinate them with half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon turmeric powder and keep them aside for 5 to 10 minutes for well marination. I also take 2 medium sized sliced potatoes, 1 medium sized chopped onion, 2 medium sized onions paste, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 medium sized tomato paste. Now I heated sufficient mustard oil in a wok. When the oil is heated sufficiently, then I put all the marinated prawns one by one in the wok and fry them nicely in the batches. Now I flip them very carefully to fry the other side. But don't over fry the prawns. Now I take out them from the wok and keep them aside. After that I am going to fry rest of the marinated prawns, just following the same process. Now I am going to use the same remaining oil, and once the oil is heated sufficiently and the tempering 2 bay leaves, 2 to 3 cardamoms, 3 to 4 cloves, 3 to 4 peppercorns, 1 cinnamon stick, and saute them for a few seconds. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and saute it for a few more seconds. After that I am going to add 1 medium sized chopped onion into the wok. Saute them until it turns light brown in color. Then I am adding 2 medium sized sliced potatoes and shallow fry them until it turns golden brown. After that I am adding 2 medium sized onions paste and saute it for a few seconds. Then I add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and saute for a few more seconds until the aroma goes away. After that I am adding 1 medium sized tomato paste into it, and again I saute it for a few more seconds. Now I add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and fry it on medium heat until the masala starts leaving oil. Oil has surfaced. Now I am going to add warm water into it and give it a nice mix. Now I am adding 4 slit ripe raw green chilies and mix it well. Then I cover the pan with the lid and cook it for 10 minutes on medium to high flame. Now I open the lid and stir it nicely and add all the fried prawns into it and mix it nicely. Again I cover the pan with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, I open the lid and give it a nice mix. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon clarified butter, that is ghee, and 1 teaspoon Shahi Garam Masala powder into it and give it a nice mix. Now I turn off the gas and prawn curry is ready to serve. I serve it with hot rice. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like my today's spicy, sizzling, mouth-watering prawn curry recipe, which I prepare in very simple and easy way and in very short time. You must try at your home. I'm sure you will love it very much. It will be a nice treat for your family. I need your support, so please like and share my recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please send your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section of my video for the betterment of my channel. I will see you soon in my next video with some new recipe. Till then, be safe, be healthy and enjoy cooking. Bye bye.